Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel Beyond Headlines Current Affairs by Lakshmi. The topic today is India and Russia sign pact to strengthen industrial and technological ties. Russia is an old friend. We have been friends since India got independence, and we have been quite a loyal friends. So, in the changing dynamics of the world, the political dynamics of the world, this pact plays a very prominent change. Okay, so and this pact was signed in the 11th session of India-Russia Working Group on Modernization and Industrial Cooperation. And this was held in Vanijya Bhavan in New Delhi on August 6th. And there are some key takeaways from this signing of the uh, Memorandum of Understanding or the pact or the agreement that we have. So, what are the objectives? And what role the objectives play in taking the ties further. First of all, we are signing the objectives to improve the relations between, improve the technological transfer and the other aspects which India and Russia are closely working on, like aluminium, fertilizers, railway transport. These are the core areas. These are the core areas. Apart from that, the main focus is also kept on mining sector, wherein the key areas of focus are exploration, management of industrial and domestic waste, and also equipment. So these are the areas with regard to mining sector. And also we are looking at, as I told you, technology transfer and support for India in various aspects. So these areas, if you look at it, and for mining, especially with relation to rare earth metals, rare earth minerals. So rare earth minerals are those which have wide usage in modern technology, and the extraction of these rare earth metals or minerals is a process which requires basically more technology again, and the process itself is a tedious one. So this area requires much improvement with regards to India. So we are taking the technological help from Russia. And the agreement or the pact was signed between, from the Indian side, it was Amardeep Singh Bhatia. And from the Russian side, it is Alexei Grasdev. So Amardeep Singh Bhatia is the Secretary of Department of Industry and Internal Trade, which works under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And Alexei Grasdev is the Deputy Minister for Trade, Commerce and Industry in the Russian Federation. So these two counterparts signed the agreement for improving better ties with India and Russia. And this, as I told you, this was signed at the 11th session of India-Russia Working Group on Modernization and Industrial Cooperation. And the framework within which this agreement was signed was again India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Cooperation. So this is the framework within which this pact was signed. And what are the focus areas? So as we already discussed, the objectives and the focus areas, this is one aspect. The second aspect is that the key focus areas that we are looking forward to work with the Russia is aerospace technology. This aerospace technology includes modern wind tunnel technology and also small engine aircraft carriers, and also we have carbon fiber and additive manufacturing, and we have 3D printing. 3D printing of late has been the trending thing where we could print anything and everything that we want, right from small models to big houses, and even we have even printed 3D rocket systems. So this is changing the face of technology very rapidly, and this is one area where Russian collaboration would definitely help us. And also underground coal gasification. So underground coal gasification is a process in which coal is converted into gas, which is used to generate electricity. So we all know about the conventional methods of how the coal is mined, whether it's in closed mines or the open cast mines, and the tedious process and how human resources are involved there, which again pose great risks. But with this underground coal gasification, the whole process is much more technologically advanced compared to that, and the byproducts or the after effects are also very less because the emissions are very less, and with underground coal gasification when compared to the after effects that we see or the pollution it causes, the mining causes, and the various other things, the water that is required, because to run a thermal power plant you need more water, and the ash that is a byproduct again is uh, again causing environmental hazards. So all these things kept in mind, coal gasification has been another important aspect where we are taking the help of Russia. And also industrial infrastructure cooperation. So to build a better infrastructure wherein the process is very advanced and people have more access to more technology, and also to reduce carbon emissions, to reduce pollution, and to actually provide better uh, workplace or better uh, area for where people can work. This area helps industrial infrastructure cooperation. So if, for the whole thing which happened in August 6th, 80 delegates from both sides have attended, which included senior government officials from both sides and also industry experts. And as we all know, I already told you, Russia is our old friend, which helped India to stand on its feet from the initial days of independence. If we all remember, the initial steel plants that India has constructed, like the Bhilai steel plant or the Bokaro steel plant, both of them were built with Russian collaboration and Russian help. That time, Soviet Union. And even after the disintegration of Soviet Union, our ties with Russia have never been much changed. And it helped India. Russia helped India also with the defense thing like our MiG-15s or 25s or Sukhos, and recently F-400 or F-400 or S-400, those things. So it is not that something new that we are doing today, but it's been that way since the initial days. So this collaboration is going to bring a remarkable change uh, in the various sectors that we are planning to improve and the technological transfer will also help us to achieve better things. So that's all for now. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please leave your opinions in the comment section. I am looking forward to it. Thank you.